Lorski, let's take a look at the market. Before I get into the assets and the market, I just want to say one thing. Right now, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market around tariffs and inflation. Today, the US GDP was revised downward for the first time since 2022. Honestly, nothing to panic about. It's more likely a result of the previous administration than anything the current one did. You can't tank an entire economy in just 3 full months, 100 days. Quarterly data hasn't even fully kicked in yet. So here's my advice: don't sit glued to the TV or read into every headline. They're writing all kinds of noise right now because the market is just shaking everything, shaking currencies, the dollar index, everything. All right? Now watch closely. Let me show you something interesting. Here's the S&P. Take out the previous day and it actually looks fine. But then you get a flood of news and boom. This is a speculation driven market now, and that's totally normal. Nothing out of the ordinary. Okay, next up. The euro's inside a very tight channel. Right now, we're in what's called an inside bar. During this kind of bar, it's basically pointless to analyze anything too deeply. We've got a strong accumulation going on. After that builds up, we'll have to see how the euro acts. Keep in mind that right now, all European countries are on edge because of possible tariffs. Trump even said today he'll be talking about automotive tariffs and mentioned lifting some for certain countries. You can tell they've already started negotiating. But just remember this: we'll only hear the full truth later. And even then, it'll be what they want us to hear. Okay, moving right along. New Zealand dollar is slowly falling, and you can see that the parabolic curve is taking shape. It's been a nice curve, but honestly, I don't love New Zealand dollars too much in general. It's just really tough to get movement out of it, even though we recommended New Zealand dollars. Japanese yen, nothing. Range here. Someone earlier said the market feels really difficult right now. And it's true because the market isn't really going anywhere yet. Yeah, a few assets are doing something, but overall, we're just sitting inside the range, so it's better not to jump into trades for now. A UD is stuck too, not moving. CHF, same story. One day up, one day down, up, down, up, down. It shows the market's just not ready to pick a direction. GBP is starting to shape up a bit. You've still got your levels in place. Basically, you could trade up to the level, but it's not a huge move, maybe 40 pips. Canadian dollar. Accumulation is happening here. I recommend shorting oil, 62.83. It's entered a strong short zone. If it consolidates below that level, we could short it further. Let's keep moving. Ethereum and Bitcoin are just moving with the market. Market goes down, they go down. Market goes up, they go up. Right now, there aren't any clear levels to work with. Here's a very strong level. Let's look at it this way. I'm now going to switch on trading view. Nothing here yet, but here's the level I've had for a while, 92. You can go short below 92.810. That's where it comes from. Just look. Here's our high, 92.810. Below that, we've got a short. I've given you a clear setup. What do we have here? Silver's super volatile. Hard to trade in this kind of volatility. And the guy earlier was right. This volatility is heavy. You've got to be really cautious here. Gold's actually holding up well. You could mark a level right here for a potential short position. Yesterday, or maybe the day before, I read an article on Bloomberg. Some big gold analyst said we might see gold at $2,500 in the coming year. To be honest, I'm not fully buying that yet. Here's the level I showed for shorting, 3,265. Below that, you can start shorting. The price is being pressed to the level, but there are no signals to open a position before the level breakout. And if you look at S&P 500 again, you'll see a one-day reversal. But the initial trading scenario didn't work out. Still nothing solid here. Let's move on. Emptiness. Just emptiness. Seriously, this is madness. How are you supposed to trade a market like this? I'd tear myself in half for a clean cross setup right now, but there's nothing. By the way, GBP to NZD was on my trading list of assets to buy. It looks strong today, and that's why I keep saying both Forex and the US markets are really tough to trade right now. Everything's messy. If you ask me, I'd rather just sit on the sidelines. Better to stay quiet than force anything. Because honestly, how do you trade this? Really, what are you even supposed to trade here? These other previously marked levels can now be removed. This one level right here is probably the only one we still have left. Here it is. That's it. Nothing else left for now.